Okay, I'm live again. Had to come having me a little sit down. Isn't it so neat? Oh my gosh. If it did not take so long to get up here, this would totally be my God spot. It is so stinking amazing up here. Why have I waited so long to come up here? I can't believe it. I mean, isn't that just like so tranquil? Serenity now. I was live a few minutes ago. I don't know if people saw it or not when I first got to the top of the, got to the waterfall. I didn't have any viewers, but, so I don't know if anybody saw that part. But yeah, it's like, he's watching the live stream, and there he is. What a goober. So yeah, this is our, well, I say our waterfall, but it's not technically right in our backyard. It's 2 houses over. But the sound, you can hear it from my yard and from my backyard. Oh, Steve, it's easy. Send me a message and I'll tell you when I get down off this mountain. I can't now. He'll know. He's watching live. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. I want to try to go back up there, but I'll probably fall. I don't think anybody saw it when I was live a while ago when I first got up here, but like where the rock, the water was coming out of the rock. The rock was so pretty and red. It is so cool. Let me see if I can get back up there. Which, like I said earlier, is so easy task when you're one-handed with an iPhone in your hand. Hold on. For those just joining, I'm in my backyard, by the way. Okay, I'm almost over there. See, this is part of where, see how, oh no, you can't really tell how like maroonish red the rock is right there. But it is so pretty. You can see way up there, the water coming up the mountain. I don't know where it originates. But if you're a local, you know Oak Mountain, you know Peavine Falls, it's like that way. Right over there, several miles, but it's that way. But isn't this so freaking cool? I don't know if y'all heard me earlier, but I said I've lived here like almost 30 years and have never come to the water up here. Just listen to it from my back porch. But it takes a long time to get up here. So, anyway, just thought I'd share our little adventure with you guys today. Thanks for joining us. Say bye, Dee.
Bye, Dee.
Bye, guys.